Beneath a swirling violet sky, shimmering pods crack open as the first light of dawn awakens the hidden life forms of Xyreon. Silvery tendrils spiral from crystal formations, pulsing softly as the ancient song of the planet echoes in the thin, charged air. Deep in iridescent forests, a sentient creature known as Vael moves with ethereal grace, its glowing eyes reflecting centuries of silent wisdom. An eerie hush envelops a wide clearing where Vael meets luminous beings, their communication a complex dance of color and resonance. Suddenly, a violent quake shatters the calm. Native species scatter, responding in bizarre unison to the planet's warning tremor. Vael races to a sheer cliff, gazing at the horizon. A massive celestial body draws closer, threatening the fragile balance of this world. Determined, Vael sends a surge of energy through the planet's network, uniting every sentient life form in a last effort to survive the cosmic peril. In a final, blinding moment, Xyreon's surface erupts in vibrant light, revealing the defiant harmony of all its inhabitants facing the unknown together.